Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Sonic, or previously Fantom. Wanted to do an update because finally I can actually be a little bit bullish on Sonic here, and I know quite a lot of you are still interested in Sonic, and I know a lot of you bought Fantom and are stuck in some horrible positions because let's be honest, Fantom over the last 2 months has been one of the most horribly performing altcoins. I know I bought quite a lot as well back in November, so I did make a profit on that. I sold quite a bit, and I bought it again at the start of January. Also made a profit on that, but ultimately I was quite lucky because after I sold, like the last time I sold was right there at around 80 cents, right? And I bought before that at like 72 cents. And after that, the price started falling. And since then, it has been very bearish. We've had some bullish momentum kind of the 21st of January, 22nd of January. But that also turned into a continued downtrend. And now you can actually see, if you take a look at that trend band, that we've broken above that. And that it almost looks like, especially if you look at that blue line, which is the 28 EMA. So a little interruption. Hopefully I edited that. But no, it almost looks like we can actually have some sort of a move up here. What we're seeing as well is that if you actually take a look at the fundamentals for Sonic, fundamentals are still doing great. All right, total value locked right there is at $288 million. You can see the TVL is nicely developing upwards here. We had a bit of a pause right here last week, but this is all pretty good. All right, fundamentals are good. I saw some recent partnerships with DWF Labs, for example. Ignore the dog on the background, but a partnership with DWF Labs, which is going to sponsor their event. But in general, DWF Labs news does quite well. So now the only question is, well, is this enough to actually conclude that Sonic is undervalued? Right now, it's trading at a $1.55 billion market cap, and the volume is quite decent, but that it's undervalued, and that's when we drop down below 50 cents, which was the main support level, the 21st of January, that this kind of breakdown we had after Monday because of all the DeepSeek FUD, whether that was an unjustified imbalance, and that is what will be what will be confirmed or denied today. Now, obviously, I have my opinion on that, but let's take a look at some other data here first. First of all, volume. Up decently, volume is up 12%. You might say, well, that's nothing. But if you compare that to the markets, volume is down a lot in the markets. So actually getting this breakout and holding this level with volume means something. And that makes me slightly bullish on Sonic as well. Technically, we've broken above that level right here at 50 cents and the trend band. So that's a relevant bullish breakout as well. I'm actually very tempted to buy this, to be honest, to trade, but still to buy this. And then outside of that, we also have some decent leverage coming in. We had some good leverage coming in. We reset, and now we have a big buy coming in again. I'm not too much of a fan of this kind of these huge open interest candles. That's a lot of leverage. But if you sum up all of the fundamentals with all of the technicals, which is increasing volume, increasing leverage, decent market circumstances, like Bitcoin is bouncing here, decent fundamentals with the total value lock, like I said, I would say it's most likely that we will move up here into this level here at 62 cents, which is the main price target. And then from that level, we can see again whether we can break above that and maybe get into an uptrend. I would say it's a little bit more likely that on the lower time frames we can get in an uptrend here, but breaking out is going to be hard. So I think it's more likely that Sonic at some point of time is going to consolidate, and then from that consolidation, maybe later we can break out. But for now, like I said, I think this is a real breakout. I think there's real bullish momentum, and I think there's a real reason why we are bullish. So I expect the price to move up. I don't expect us to get back to the same price as we were at in the middle of January. I think the market is not strong enough for that, and I also don't think Sonic has enough power for that at this point of time. So yeah, those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.